And I think it might be my best batch yet.
Oh, Halloween is my favorite time of the year. I just love all the funky fashions, hanging with friends.
The ghastly frights.
Oh, come on, Mo. Sing for the party. Only 1 hour till big hair don't scare.
Who can that be? The party doesn't start for an hour. Trick or treat.
Ooh, treat, please.
Hey guys, it's me. Oh, Roxy, it's just you. You spooked us. The party doesn't start for an hour, you know.
I know, but, I was thinking I could help set up, and I kinda need some help finishing my look. Not quite sure what to do with my hair.
Phew, that explains a lot.
Oh, say no more, Roxy. We're always ready for a hair emergency. It's like I always say, the bigger the party, the bigger the hair.
Is that a saying?
Of course it is. Now please, take a seat.
Mohawk? No hawk.
More like top definitely not.
Now this, I like.
Oh man, my hair has a mind of its own.
I'm just not sure we found your fit, Roxy.
Maybe you can wear a costume with a hat.
Ugh, I'm parched from this hard work. I sure could use some punch.
Roxy, your hair!
It's beautiful.
And most importantly, it's big.
Talk about a hair-raising experience.
And the party hasn't even started yet.
It's party time. Happy Halloween, everyone.